Let's go and grab some um, cucumber. Let's go see what we have in the yard or in the garden today. Okay, we'll have, look at my papaya. Big papaya here. I see a lot of, oh, I see one fruit coming up right there. I see a lot of flowers and it smells good. Nice. Then I have this. I have 4 eggplants. These are the finger eggplants. So it's not supposed to actually grow big or long. This one here is my watermelon. At first I thought it was a zucchini, but it's a big fat watermelon. I hope this doesn't snap. And then another one right here. Another one right up there. Ouch. Then I got some peppers right here. It does have a lot of peppers. Nice, I like it right there. That one right there. This one right here is the alokbate. Pretty alokbate. Look at that. It's nice red alokbate right here. And let's go to the other side of that. Or here. I have these. They're growing so big and long. My cucumbers and my melons. There's melons. And then there's one plant of basil. Look how big these things are. They're so big. The leaves are so big. They're so healthy. Look at that. I love it. And then, yeah, these ones are not doing so well. I don't know what's wrong with them. They're actually eggplants. Not doing so well. And these are kalabasa. Hopefully, I had some before but they died because there was some insects in there. Then there's my malunggay, my pretty malunggay. And these I'm going to get some cucumbers. Some cucumber right here. I guess I can harvest that. I've gotten so many cucumbers from here. Oh my goodness. I only have one hand. Okay. So anyway, I'll take this. Take this. Look at that cucumber. And I got some more cucumbers right here that I forgot from yesterday. I have to bring them inside the house. There's my calamansi. And then I have these cantaloupes. Oh my goodness. How come there's bugs in, well, I don't know. There's cantaloupe right there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 6. 6, 7 cantaloupes. And I think these are honeydew. I see 1, 2. Let me see. Do I see any more? 2. I think maybe that's all. I have 2. But I sure do have a lot of cucumbers. I will harvest some cucumbers right now. Are they mosquitoes right now or what? Maybe I shouldn't get this one yet. But I could probably take this. Yeah, I should. I noticed that if you harvest and get them bigger, they're not, and when you eat them, they're not as crunchy. So I'm gonna take them like this big, because if you get them bigger, they're not as crunchy. So this is the right size to actually harvest, so they're crunchy. Tapos I got more right there. I could probably get that later. This one probably later. Then maybe look at this. That's another one. Not really sure what that is. I think that's a honeydew, maybe honeydew. Maybe this one's ready. No. I could probably take this later on. It'll get bigger all day today. I water them a lot, but maybe this I could probably take. I'll take this now. I'm gonna take this now. There you go. I actually gave them away. I actually gave some away to co-workers. Yep. And then right here, I'm gonna have to fix this and put this over like that. Pretty. I love this plant. It's a vegetable. It's a spinach. And this is a sayote. Sayotes. I didn't know that. I don't know. They do so well here, but I don't know. Last year it did so well, but I didn't see any flowers until too late. Until it was October, and it was almost time. It got cold and it died. So I don't really know if I'm gonna be harvesting any sayote this year or any time of year. So yeah, these are the things. This is my plants in my garden. Look at that. Beautiful this beautiful malunggay here. I will harvest that. I will harvest some soon to make some soup. And also this. And these two. This is alokbate and kamote right there. More of alokbate. God, are there mosquitoes right now? The heck? May calamansi. Look at that. Pretty. Okay. I guess I'll go inside. But I'll need to take these in. I'm gonna get me a plastic bag. I wish I would have some kalabasa. We'll see. But I do love my garden right now. And my persimmon's not doing so well because it keeps dropping fruit. I have several fruits left. That's it. I don't know what's wrong with this tree. And my grapes. Oh, my tomatoes right here. tomatoes. I don't know. We'll see about that. The grapes right here. I'm gonna go grab my stuff. Our sinkhole right there. There's a sinkhole. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my cucumbers. And then, shoo, go away. And papaya. So I'm gonna get this. I think that's ready. Maybe. I don't even know. But yep, I'll get them. And then, I think this is an avocado. I'm not sure. There's two of them. I don't know why they're here, but yeah. I'm gonna grab these right now.